Okay, so check it out. All new for the Xpedition, our front bumper from Thumper Fab is here. We have tons of options on this, so I'm gonna go through them real quick. We have up front, integrated light covers, keeps your light protected from the brush, debris, anything that you might come across on the trail. Keeps your light back there protected. Also gives you some pretty cool color accents. If you're running the KCs with the covers, you can run it without the accent panel and just have your KCs right there, and easy to snap on the covers, snap them off, keep them protected that way as well. If you're not running any lights, we actually have a block off panel here, so you get a nice smooth look to it. You can even still throw the custom accent panel on top of that. Just really give you some ways to customize this bumper, make it your own, match your ride. Another option is the bull bar. So using this, we give you another light bar up top, also protected behind our accent panel up here. You can match this, of course, to your ones down here below. Again, match it to your ride. This is a dual row slim light bar that's tucked back here, 12 inches. So it's really gonna throw some good light, keeps it up high and helps throw it further down the trail. This one, of course, you can see is winch ready. It's got a Warren VRX winch mounted up top. This is a 4,500 pound winch. Some of these bigger cars are getting a lot bigger. So we also have another plate that can go on top of this that allows you to mount a full-size truck winch on this thing. 10,000 pound winch on this bumper. It's ready for it, and that's gonna get you out of just about any sticky situation you can find yourself in. So lots of options on our Thumper Fab bumper. It's ready to go and just really looks awesome on the all-new Polaris Xpedition. So check it out, thumperfab.com or Thumper Fab dealer near you.